Hey guys, so I'm just trying to show you my process in different ways. Recently, I've been working on a game project, and I had to use this. I wasn't able to use my VI, right? So that's what you're seeing here. I'm on my laptop, and then I have big font because I have old person eyes. So if if you were a recruiter and that's a problem, just leave. I don't know what to say, man. Anyway, okay, so this is so VI is my typing program, right? I can type stuff into it, and it's all text based, and then I can kind of leave the world of VI and doing this one hand. If I lose a hand, I would still be able to do this. So now I'm in my file system, and I'm calling it Daisy, and then index.html is going to run when you go to this directory, right? And this is again this Mac, I think it's useful because it, like, places like this I can kind of grab it with my palm and type. See how I do that? And I try not to use the mouse as much as possible because I don't need the mouse in my world, right? I can have hotkeys like this one. See, I can just change things with the hotkey. So now I'm in web, right? And it says undefined uh, because I'm working on it, right? So I'm on a web page now, and I've opened up the console of the web page, which you can do right here. And again, this is where I have to use the mouse thing, right? You can maybe you don't have to do it this way, but there you go. So you pick inspect. If you pick view page source, it'll show you the thing I was looking at over here. But if you click inspect, it opens up this. Okay? Now you can like live your life over in this kind of universe, right? Like I have, different things saved maybe in here, and I have to, oh, it's always a challenge. Um, yeah. See, so I have this function saved here, and if I just hit F and dot, that's kind of the beginning of it, right? That's my own little object-oriented world. And so I was working with the camera. That's what this thing was. I was going to try to get the camera up here so you could see my happy little face when I record a video, right? And when I record a video, I come to QuickTime Player, and do an entire screen recording, right? I do a screen recording, and then the screen recording file then even comes into my little world here, right? Which is, again, that's my happy place, uh, because I can just type here. The mouse hurts my hands, okay? The mouse hurts my hands. So in all that mouse work that you're doing, you can actually learn to type much faster. For some reason, people, I don't know why they don't do that, but that's sort of, see, that's the best thing is to get to a place where more people are acting the way that I act, in my opinion. Of course, you could disagree, but this seems to work, right? As far as being able to manipulate the computer in a way that's interesting and valuable. This is this is the way to do it because you kind of cut out everything, right? You can do all of this yourself, and see, and then you end up with uh, programs that you can run. Now you say, "Well, John, that's not a very interesting program." Yeah, I know. I have other ones, and I'll usually stick them out on like my, I'll send the stuff from this out to my website, right? So then this is my website, and just one of the examples, right? Like you have, watch this. I'm going to click the QR code scanner, and it's going to open up this camera. This is going to be epic. There you go. There I am. Look, it's me. Hey guys, it's me with my camera. And now if I had like a QR code on the back of my little phone here, and this is a super crypto guy phone, right? This is a um, uh, I forget the name of it, but it's a uh, Solana phone, I think. Anyway, if I had a QR code to scan, it would scan with this thing, right? The point is that I have a lot of tools that I have a lot of tools for Web3, for easy integration, for stuff like this to operate in my world, but it's very abstract for somebody who's in clickety-click land all the time, right? Always moving around, clicking on some other person's interface. The home page is going to be your home page is going to be where you work from, right? You'll go to your home page and just live there. And then anything that you want to come into your world, you can bring into your home page. That's Web3. That's the difference. And then you can have things like you can use this MetaMask tool, and I was able to find that. See, this MetaMask tool lets you do crypto transactions, and the crypto transactions that I do are they're not financial necessarily. They're data transactions, right? So I've mapped out a low-level kind of universe of stuff, and this is a Web3 demo, right? And different things we're bringing into it. Like the next thing is probably going to be this piano game I'm excited about. You can play, instead of having a keyboard, you can plug in this little piano, right? And then you can play piano. And it can go into here, it can go into the game we're developing wherever, right? Wherever. So that's just kind of, again, a view into my world and the way I do things. So in the only way to really sell this is as a some sort of interactive course, right? So I'm working with some colleges in the area. I've got a really interesting class going with these guys in Austin. And I look forward to doing some stuff locally here in the Metroplex. All right. Thanks.